Welcome back everyone. In this video, I will show you a faster and more elegant way to find the value of x in this geometry problem. Although there are other methods, such as using the sine law, we will solve it using the median property and the exterior angle theorem to find x step by step. Let's get started. In this triangle, BC is to AD. We are looking for the angle x. Let's first take AD as L. Also, we show the midpoint of BC by point M. If we draw a line from A to M, that line will be median. Since BC is twice AD and AD is equal to L, then the hypotenuse measures 2L. Therefore, BM and CM and also AM are all equal in length L. The length of AM is also L because in a right triangle like ABC, the median drawn to the hypotenuse is half the length of hypotenuse. In the triangle A, B, and M, since AM is equal to BM, the triangle is isosceles. Therefore, if angle B equals 3x, then angle A, this one, is also equal to 3x. Before proceeding to the next step, let's recall the exterior angle theorem. The theorem states that exterior angles of a triangle are equal to the sum of its opposite interior angles. What does that mean? As an example, let's consider a triangle like this. In this triangle, alpha and beta are the opposite interior angles. This is the interior angle. So the exterior angle is equal to the sum of alpha and beta. Here, the exterior angle is an obtuse angle. This theorem is independent of the triangle shape. So in the triangle ABM, the exterior angle is 6x. Now consider the triangle AM and D. This is also an isosceles triangle because AM and AD are equal in length. So the angle M, this one, is equal to the angle D, 6x. If we use the external angle theorem for the triangle A, C, and D, the exterior angle, based on what we discussed earlier, becomes x plus 6x. That means C is 7x. Now, let's look at triangle A, C, and M, which is also isosceles because AM and CM are equal in length. So the angles of A and C of the triangle are equal. Since angle C is 7x, angle A is also 7x. Now we can find the value of x. Since A is 90 degrees in the triangle A, B, and C, then 3x plus 7x is 90 degrees. That means 10x is equal to 90 degrees. If we divide both sides by 10 and cancel out 10 from left side, we get x 9 degrees. So the value of x is 9 degrees. And that's it. By using just the median property and recognizing an isosceles triangle, we solve the problem with almost no trigonometry. If you found this approach elegant, do not forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more clever geometry tricks. Thank you for watching.